The money.
Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Nadex Trading. Right now I got my MT4 account open. We had the green arrow, green tail, everything went green. So I'm going to go ahead and place my buy situation. We have this one's asking for a sell. This one here says a buy. And so we're going to put yes. Now we got a buy here on the Euro US dollar. Now my Euro US dollar 1 hour chart, it wants to sell it. So it's a different robot. It's trying to do a different trading style. So it's on a 1 hour chart. But right now, I'm more worried about my Nadex account. So now I've already gone over to my Nadex account. I went into here and I went to knockouts. I went over here to Euro US dollar. And I took my buy positions right here. I took 15 positions. So we're going to see how this works out. Pull that back down out of the way. We can go back to my Nadex template, which I usually use on a 15-minute chart. But right now everything's still green and it's looking good. We're trying to move up, trying to break this resistance we have right here. So hopefully we'll break through this and go on up to the next point, which is up into here. So that'd be quite a bit of money. So right now we're going to let the trade run and see how this goes. But this is my Nadex template. It's all or nothing, money on the floor. And basically all of it has to be lined up. RSI, stochastic, oscillator, even the GG trend bar, candles, everything. So once we have that, it's a go. And I like to take the first one off the arrow. So to me, that's going to be the strongest. The reason why is if we break down below and we start to cross below this, I just close the trade. I'm done. No reason to heckle anymore. We're done. If it's not going to go up, I don't want to be in. So we got the MT4 account going with the Forex. I already put in one trade, so I keep an eye on it. And I've already placed my trade with Nadex, like I said. It's already up $15 for 15 positions. It's going to grow pretty fast. So and if we go down to here, I get knocked out. But like I say, if we go too low, what's going on? Oh, yeah, I'm grabbing the wrong one. Trying to move this. Sorry. I know what to do. There we go. That works. So like I say, if we go below the tail right here, I'm going to close the position anyway. Even my Forex account, I got my stop there. So if I go down there below there and it hits my stop, I'm going to go to Nadex and close my trade and take the loss and wait for it to figure out where it really wants to go. Because a small loss I can come back from. A large one I cannot. And neither can you. So don't even try to let it run. I know we got days for that thing to work out. It could, but it's not worth the chance. Because one day it might just keep trending the wrong way. And it happens. So don't let it happen to you. So anyway, we're going to let this account run. We're going to see how it's going to work out. Let me see where we're at right now. We are here. So we're up $15. So we'll let that go. So let me let this run. I'll come back and go over any details that I see or anything you need to know about. Thank you. Here we go. Let's check into our trade. We're up $156. That's pretty good for a Forex account. $156. I'd be happy with that. Now let's pull up the Nadex account, see where we're at. We're up $240. That's great. That's awesome. My goal is like 300 a day, so we're almost there. Now, if you can see, we popped up. We went sideways. We should pop up one more time. So we're going to wait and see if this will happen, see if we can get to over the $300 mark and go from there. We're already at 159, 255. We're getting close, so it looks like it's going to be popping, so it won't take long. Okay, hold on. We're getting the conclusion of the trade. It looks like my other trade had already closed out because we had a pullback, so it probably got out for trailing stop. But my Nadex trade, let me pull it up. There we go, $555, 570. So usually I try to get 5, so I want to close this out pretty soon. And to close it, you just click on it, it gives you the opposite trade. So it was a very good night's trading. We got in at this point right here earlier in the evening, and then at 1 o'clock in the morning I woke up and to check the trade, and we're hitting this peak here at about 570, and I was able to click out for about 550 as it started to pull its way down. Now even if it got away from me and it came all the way back down, all it did is bounce and go up higher. We're inside this little channel right here. But you can see with that type of movement right there, just from basically, you know, this line up to there was $500, 570 for a 15 position trade. So it was very good. And we see with more lots, with more positions, you don't have to go very far to make any money. So all you got to do is find the correct movement, which this template does. Right here, it told me that it was an all buy situation, even though it went up and then pulled back on me, but I was asleep at that time. I didn't even know it. So, but still, the oscillator was green. Not everything was red. So usually it doesn't go past the 50. This time it went past the 50, but it still bounced once to hit support. Came back up. I woke up, found the profit, and took it. Now, if I would have woke up in the morning, I would have been up here because I wouldn't have even noticed this here because I would have been sleeping through that. And it would have done it again. I would have been higher. But then again, if you don't catch it, then it keeps coming all the way back down. You lose all your profits. You still be in profit, but it won't be as much as the 5. Be like 150 probably. But it was a great night's trading, and I've been able to keep it up for the last couple nights. So we'll see. I like trading just to London because pre-London it starts to trick you and it plays little games on you, so you got to be careful. So what I like to do is when London starts, check to see which way this thing's going. Make sure that the total strength is in accordance with that, and then take your trade. Wait a few hours and get out. That's about it. All right, you guys, have a great day. Thanks very much for watching the video. Okay, bye-bye.